In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com CRM to streamline your business operations and manage customer relationships more effectively. Let's assume you've already created an account and you're ready to dive in. When you first log into your Monday.com account, you'll be greeted by a dashboard that presents a variety of options and tools designed to help you get organized and stay on top of your tasks. One of the primary components you'll notice is the workspaces. These are essentially the hubs where you can organize different aspects of your business, whether it's sales, marketing, project management, or any other department. Think of workspaces as separate rooms in a house, each dedicated to a specific function. This organization helps keep everything neatly categorized and easy to access. Within these workspaces, you'll find segments for contacts, deals, leads, accounts, and clients. Contacts serve as your database for storing detailed information about all the people you interact with, from customers to suppliers. It's like having a virtual Rolodex that you can update and search through, making it possible to quickly pull up contact information whenever needed. Dealing with sales? The Deals section is there for you to input all the relevant data about ongoing and potential sales opportunities. This is where you keep track of what's in your pipeline and how close you are to closing each deal. By keeping this information organized, you're able to see at a glance which deals need your immediate attention. Leads are handled in their own section, allowing you to track potential clients and business opportunities. Maintaining detailed records here can help you better manage follow-ups and see where each lead is in your sales funnel, so nobody falls through the cracks. For larger organizations or those who manage numerous transactions, the Accounts section gives you a bird's-eye view of all major clients or business accounts you're managing. This can help significantly with reporting and strategizing your business efforts on a macro level. Looking to offer products or services? There's a dedicated section just for these, enabling you to keep tabs on inventory or manage your service offerings. It's all laid out clearly, making it easy to update information as things change. Activities, too, have their place, where you can log interactions and schedule tasks. This keeps your team aware of what's been done and what needs doing, enhancing team collaboration and productivity. The Marketplace, located at the top right of your screen, is a fantastic resource for finding new tools and integrations to further enhance Monday.com's value to your organization. You'll also notice options for notifications and user management on the dashboard, making it easy to keep track of activities and ensure everyone on your team has the access they need. That's how you use Monday.com CRM to its fullest potential, offering a robust platform for organizing all aspects of your business in one go.